Good morning, standard 10 student. Today in physics practical, I am going to explain you the demonstration of deviation of ray by the plane. In theory, you have already studied how to find the deviation. Now here, you have to do the practical to find out the deviation by the plane to demonstrate. For this, what you have to do? Take white paper, hard cardboard, then white paper, pin up all the four corner of the white paper, then take a prism, keep the prism on one place and take out the boundary with the help of pencil of the prism. When you will keep the prism, this way you have to keep the prism. Don't keep this way. This way you have to keep the prism. Hey, then take out the boundary. Then after that remove this prism. Here one face of the prism, draw an incidence ray. Right? A single ray. Then here you have to draw the normal. Draw the normal on this. When you will draw the normal, it should be appear in all the four corners. It should be appear as a 90 degree. After that, pin up two pin here, P1, P2 on this incidence ray. This is the angle of incidence between the normal and incidence ray. After pin up two pin, put the prism on the boundary what you have drawn earlier. After that, you have to view from this side. Right? This side you have to view another two pin. You have to pin up. Say it is P3 and P4, and all the four pin will appear in a straight line inside the prism. Right? When it appears in a straight line, after that remove this prism, join this emergent ray. Here also emergent ray, you have to draw the normal. Draw the normal. Now inside the glass you have to show the refraction. Right? Then what you have to do? You have to produce the incident ray straight and the emergent ray also straight. This angle will be the angle of deviations, and that you have to measure. And this angle of this one, suppose R1 and R2 refraction. So this value will be equal to R1 plus R2. The deviation will be equal to this angle R1 and R2. Second, you can take, when you will take the same experiment, 8, when you will take the angles, incidence ray, this one, and the angle, this angle if you will take 48 degree, in this case, the refracted ray exactly parallel to the base of the prism. Right? Then draw the normal, another two pin here. Right? Now you join this one, produce the incidence ray and the emergent ray. This angle will be the angle of deviation. When you will measure, this angle will come 36 degree. If you take the angle of incidence, it's 48. In this case, angle of emergent will be also 48, and in this case, the refracted ray exactly parallel to the base of the prism. In the all case, it will not exactly parallel to the base of the prism. Only when the angle we will take 48 degree, that time the refracted ray become exactly parallel to the base of the prism, and in this stage the angle of deviation, when you will measure this angle, you will get 36 degree. Right? So two reading you have to take on the same page, right, to find the deviation or to show the deviation by the of a ray by the prism. Thank you very much.